So what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to open and also verify a Payoneer account right here in Nigeria and so many other countries in which you are watching from. So basically, for those of you who don't know what Payoneer is a payment gateway in which you could use to send and also receive payments internationally. So that means if you're a freelancer, you're an affiliate marketer, and you want to get paid from your vendors and so many other things from your clients, Payoneer is a good choice for you to start receiving and sending payments internationally. So we'll just jump right into so without any further ado, let's just jump right in as I show you how to create and also how to verify your Payoneer account. So first thing you want to do is that you want to head over to this platform right here called payonner.com, and when you've come over here, you want to just go right here and click on register. Remember, the link will be in the description below, and you'll get a $25 bonus for creating an account. So you just want to do that. So after this, it's going to take you to a next page where it's going to ask you a series of questions. Let's find the right account you need. So freelancing, online seller, affiliate marketer. So you just go ahead and choose individual right here, and you want to tell them that you're getting paid by international clients on marketplace. And then after that, you scroll down right here, you could see what comes with the account. Get paid living marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr. Get paid by global clients. Withdraw your earning into local bank. Withdraw funds at ATM with your ATM card, in which Payoneer will give you when you've reached the threshold of $2,000. And what you want to do next is I want to hit right here where it says, okay, so we are in. So first thing you want to do is click on this individual. If you're a business or a company, you could click on the company. You want to put in your first name right here. So just type in your first name. You want to put in the last name, and then you want to go ahead and put in your Gmail right there. If it is a Yahoo mail you are using or so many others, just put it on right there. So after typing that right there, what I want to do is that you want to retype your Gmail. After doing that, I want to pick right here date of birth. So just pick the correct date of birth. So say 2000. Okay, you can just make use of. Then you want to click right here, I'm not a robot, and pick the right of us right here and click on verify. And then what you want to do next is just hit on next right here. Okay, so we are right here in the next page. So now what you want to do is I want to fill in your contact details right here. So I'm just going to put in my address right here. Just type that in. And then you want to come here and put in your city. Start putting in your city. You want to put in your zip code right here. I've come to hold my zip code in my head. So you want to put in your number right here. So I'm just going to put in the number right here. And then right now what you want to do is that you want to scroll down and then hit on send code right here. So you send this field required, send code. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wait for the code to drop right. Okay, just gonna impute it there. And then I'm just gonna hit on next right here. So the next thing right here I want to do is I want to put in your password right here. So I'm just gonna create a password, and then you want to re-enter that password right here, and then you want to ask a security question. And then right here you want to put in your ID card number. So I'm not going to be doing that. Because I already have an account. So if I put in my ID card number right here, it's not going to go through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account. But this is what you do from here, is that after you've put in on your ID, you just have to click I'm not a robot and click on next. And then the next step will just be for you to verify your email address, and then maybe they might ask you for some few documents to fill in. So you're just going to do that, and then what you want to do next is I want to log in. So I'm just going to log into my account right here. Let me go back right here, and I'm going to log into my account. Okay, so you can see right here we are in my account, and this is how your dashboard will be looking like if you're using a phone. So if you're using an Android phone right now to create this, what you want to do is that you want to head over to the right side, that three line stuff you see up there, click on it, and then go over to settings at this role. Then if you are using a PC just like I'm doing, you want to head over to your profile right here and then click on settings. This is how to verify your account. So you could see right here that you have profile settings, notification, security. So you want to click on verification center right here, and then remember you put in your NIN number. So that's not going to be needed here right here in this verification right now. You need a different thing. So you can see I've not done this particular part of the verification. There is another part of the verification, which is the first one. I've done that. That one just involves you clicking it, opening it just like this, and then putting in some details like what kind of business you are doing, what kind of services you are offering, how much are you going to get paid per month, whether it's 0 to 5,000, 5,000 to 10,000. So you just have to answer the relevant question right there, and there's a part in which you are going to tick the box. So you want to tick everything in that box. Then the next part of the verification right here is this part, and you want to just click right here on submit, and then you want to scroll down. You could see what they need. A government issued document, your full name, a clear document, and all. So when you scroll down right here, you can see that it's just a driver license and a passport. Now you need to have one of these. Now I have a driver's license, but it's the temporary one, so I can't use it right now until when I get my permanent license. So if you have a driver license or a passport, just take a picture of it, and then you want to tick on it right there like this, and click on add right here, and go to where the document is and upload the documents right there. So that's exactly how to verify. When you are done, just hit on submit right here. That's exactly how to verify your account. So they're just going to review it. After reviewing it, they're going to bring back a reply to you whether your account has been verified or whether it has not been verified. So that's how it is. So this is the first part right here. So you just want to head back and head back home. So this is how easy it is to just create a PayPal account, a Payoneer account, and also verify that Payoneer account. So if you love this video, just make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button right there and hit that notification bell, and have a nice time, guys.